process black soldier fly to make bread.
Make sure to collection. The larvae are sorted to remove any impurities or debris.
This one here, notice the segmentation?
I see it. It appears healthy, meeting the criteria.
Agreed. Let's log this group as approved for shipment.
Once sorted, the larvae continue along the conveyor belt, ready for the next step.
The larvae are carefully arranged into trays to be dehydrated, ensuring no damage occurs.
Look at the morphology on this one. It seems advanced.
Yes, the data confirms stage 3 development.
The powerful jets ensure that all dirt, feed residue, and impurities are thoroughly removed from the larvae.
In this advanced luxury factory, the water is carefully heated to the ideal temperature of 91.
The larvae undergo a critical sterilization process known as blanching, ensuring food safety.
Our quality control team confirms that the sterilization process has been successful.
The larvae are now fully sterilized, with their nutritional value locked in.
Each batch of blanched larvae is inspected to ensure it meets the highest safety and quality standards.
The final step is a thorough inspection to ensure the larvae are ready for the next stage.
Throughout the drying process, our team continuously monitors the moisture levels and temperature to ensure perfect results every time.
For a sustainable approach, solar drying uses natural energy to gently dry larvae, keeping costs low while ensuring excellent preservation. Defatting is an optional but highly recommended process, where dried larvae are pressed or solvent extracted.
The separation looks good on this batch.
Yes, the yield is higher than expected. I'll log it now.
Almost there.
Confirmed. Right on target. Start the cycle.
As the grinder operates, the dried larvae are ground into a fine, consistent powder, ready for further processing.
After grinding, the powder is inspected to ensure it has the perfect consistency and quality before moving to the next stage.
The finely sieved powder is now ready for storage or packaging, ensuring the highest quality flour for the next phase.
A final quality check ensures the powder meets the high standards of uniformity and consistency, ready for the next phase.
This cart is full, moving it now.
Okay, we'll start on the next one.
The humidity is stable at 80%.
And the temperature is holding steady at 35 Celsius. Everything looks good.
The finished powder is now ready to be shipped out or undergo final processing, ensuring it meets the...
The packaged powder is carefully stored, ensuring its preservation until it's ready to be shipped or processed further.
After extraction, the oil is separated from the residual material, and the pure, golden BSF oil is collected in a separate container.
Defect oil for BSF products, but also improves the larvae's taste and extends its